And welcome back to the third video on how to configure your ZTE H268A router with your Simply Broadband connection. In this video, we're going to be going over how to factory reset your router through your admin panel. And so first things first, as always, head over to your browser and head over to the default gateway. Once you're here, enter your admin credentials to sign into the admin panel. And once we're in here, we're going to want to head to Management and Diagnosis. What we want is System Management. And as you can see here, we have Device Management, Software Upgrade, and Configuration Management. So first, we're going to start at Configuration Management. Now, you'll have two kind of drop downs here. You'll have Backup Configuration and Restore Configuration. So for Backup Configuration, what this will do is it will save a file to your computer of your current router configuration. So that way, if you factory reset it again for some reason and you want it to go back to what it was before, this will create the file that you will then upload to the restore configuration. And so you'd go choose file, you'd find the configuration file, and then you'd click restore configuration. So that's how these two options kind of work with each other. And if we move to software upgrade, as you can see, please select the software version file. So you'd have to download the software version from the internet, and then you can choose that file and click upgrade, and that will run through all the software, and that will update your router with whatever software file you've chosen. Now to device management. What we've really been wanting to look at here is obviously factory reset management. But as you can see, we can also reboot from the admin panel. And so this is just exactly the same as turning it off and then turning it back on again, except you're just doing it through the admin panel. So you'd click reboot. Are you sure you want to reboot the device? Click OK, and that will reboot. But we're not going to do that because we're going to go down to factory reset management and we're going to click factory reset. So obviously it comes up with a prompt asking if we really want to restore factory defaults. We're going to click OK, and then we're going to have to wait for this to fully reset itself. Now remember, resetting to factory defaults means we're getting rid of all of the configuration settings that we've just made, and so we will have to go back in and reconfigure our router to gain connection on Simply Broadband networks. And so we'll just wait for this to fully reset and we'll continue. And once that's fully reset, you'll be taken back to the login page. Now remember, because we've factory reset our router, that means these details are also at factory defaults, which means the username and the password will both be admin. And of course, you'll have to change your password again to get in. But then once you're in, you can reconfigure all of your settings so that you can get back onto the internet. Thank you for watching.
Huh? Simply reset it.